Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to study about evolution. Let us start with the definition of evolution. Evolution is a slow and gradual process that occur over millions of years. So, evolution is a slow and gradual process. Definition of evolution says that evolution is a slow and gradual change in flora and fauna that occur over millions of years. There are slow and gradual changes in flora and fauna that occurs over millions of years. So, basically, evolution is the slow and gradual changes. That is, means that evolution occurs by the slow and gradual changes in flora as well as fauna. Flora refers to the plants and fauna refers to the animals. So, evolution occurs by the slow and gradual changes in the flora and fauna that take place in millions of years. Now, let us talk about stellar distances. Stellar distances. The distance between planets or stars are termed as stellar distances. Stellar distances are distances between planets or stars. Distances between planets or stars. Now, the stellar distances are measured in light years. Stellar distances are measured in light years. 1 light year is the distance. 1 light year is the distance traveled by a light in vacuum. So, stellar distances are distances between planets and stars. Stellar distances are measured in light year. 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year in vacuum. Whenever we look towards the stars, in a way we are peeping into our past. That is, the stars are located very far from us. So when we look on the stars, the light traveling towards us travels trillions of kilometers and then reaches our eyes. So this means that when we look on the stars, we are peeping into the past. But when we see the objects around us, we are seeing in the present. So if we are seeing this blackboard, we are seeing this marker, we are seeing this duster. So we are looking into our present. But when we see two stars, we are looking into our past because the light coming from the stars travels trillions of kilometers. That is why it reaches us late. So in a way we are looking into our past. Now let us look about the origin of universe. How the universe originated. So, talking about the origin of universe. The universe originated 13.8 billion years ago. So, the universe originated 13.8 billion years ago. How it originated? The theory says that there was a singularity, a hot ball, which had a lot of pressure and temperature. And suddenly, an unimaginable explosion took place. An unimaginable explosion took place. So there was a hot ball, a singularity, which was having a very high temperature and pressure, and an unimaginable explosion took place, due to which number of galaxies formed, among which one of the galaxy was our Milky Way galaxy, in which our solar system is. Galaxies are clouds of dust, stars and solar systems. So this way our universe originated. The universe originated 13.8 billion years ago. There was a singularity, a hot ball. Then suddenly an explosion took place, which is unimaginable in physical terms. And a number of galaxies were formed, among which our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, was also there, in which our solar system is. Then these galaxies are clouds of dust, stars, solar systems, etc. So this was about the origin of universe. First of all, we saw about evolution. So basically evolution occurs by the slow and gradual changes in the flora and fauna over millions of years. Then we have our stellar distances. Stellar distances are distances used to measure the distance between planets and stars. Then stellar distances are measured in light years. Then we had our origin of universe. Universe originated 13.8 billion years ago. The theory says that there was a singularity, a hot ball having a very high temperature and pressure, and suddenly there was a very high explosion which was unimaginable in physical terms, which led to the formation of number of galaxies, clouds. So means they led to the formation of galaxies. And what are galaxies? Galaxies are clouds of dust, stars and solar system. This was for today. Thank you.